Welcome guys to a new YouTube. Oh shit, I didn't start the video really good. The lid of my water bottle just went to the compartment of the seat, which means that, oh shit, yeah, I'm fucked. What a good start of the day, huh? It's 8:26 and I'm going to work out, which I had time to actually be there now instead of being lazy. Goodness, I'm being so lazy, guys. Well, I'm actually being the most productive this week that I have ever been in a while. Not just with content creation, but in my house and with all the things that I have to do, like with the cleaning, with the organizing, with my studio, with everything. It's like, you know, I have been doing a lot of work. Not gonna lie. Yeah, not gonna lie. I've been doing work. My room is, let's say, stage 2. I would say like that. It's like it's modified with acoustic panels, the door sweep, and you know, all the things with the audio and everything. And I think it's way better. It is way better now, but I'm missing the 2 tension rods, 2 blankets that I'm gonna buy, big ones, to cover it completely and have privacy between my room and my bathroom. And then I'm gonna put a carpet, a rug in there, and then from there, that's when the difference is gonna come. Like that's when the big changes are gonna come. And only reason is because when I put the carpet there with 2 blankets, plus I'm gonna attach 2 small blankets, which is they are thick. I'm gonna use those to actually go ahead and attach it to it, so the noise is way less. So yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Like, not going to lie, it's going to be crazy. The amount of work it is, yes, but the amount of difference that it's gonna do in my room, it's gonna be amazing. So for the people that don't understand why I'm putting my room like in a studio with acoustic panels, stuff like that, it's because I make videos in there. The audio is bouncing, right? So I make videos in there. So I want to be the best quality as possible in there. Then on top of that, not just that, but on top of that, the other thing is I want to reduce the noise that my roommate. What the fuck is that dude doing? People are crazy. Oh shit. You know, I want to reduce the noise that my roommate is doing, and I want to reduce the noise that I do, so he can hear me and I can hear him. So, you know, it's expensive, but at the same time, I think it's very, very worth it by someone like me with content creation. I make my YouTube videos in there, and on top of that, I can have privacy. I can have some of best quality and everything. So now I can hear my roommate, but still way less. But when I put the blankets and I put the carpet and I put the weather stripping into the corners of my door, it's gonna be great. The only bad side of it for people that want to do this, that have a roommate who want to reduce the noise, this is 100% going to do effect. But there is some concerns, and there is some, not consequences, but I would say there's some bad sides of it. So the bad part is the air don't come in. So, you know, the big AC is on the living room, right? So, and then you have a little AC, like a little stuff compartment in your room, of course, but that one is small compared to the other ones. So it's like the combination of the two of those, the outside and the inside, you know, helps you. But because I'm blocking completely the noise, the smell, and the everything from it, it's not gonna come in. So when I put a blanket to cover the bath, or to the bathroom, to the room, and then another one in the bathroom, in the door, another blanket, and then I put on top of those blankets 2 blankets, it's gonna be like no smell, no noise, but no AC. So yeah, I realized that my room feels kind of like I would say like a 20% more hot, like hotter than it was. Even though the AC is very, very low, it feels anyways kind of hot. And the reason is because no air is coming in. So yeah, sometimes I'm gonna have to open the window so I can have like fresh natural air from the outside, for any smells that are inside. Sometimes I'm gonna have to open the door and even like put the blankets a little bit to the side so so the room can have some air on it, you know. So I'm gonna have to do that. So maybe I do that when I go, and when I come from home, from wherever I go, and I'm gonna be home, that's when I'm gonna close everything. So I gotta do it, because if not, I'm not gonna have any air on it. So yeah, for those that are trying to, all you need to do is actually buy a lot of panels. So you gotta have some money, because I had to buy 72 panels, which of those I use 65, but now I'm buying 48 more, and I'm using those. I think that's the last panels that I'm buying. But then I had to buy door sweep, and the door sweep. Now I'm gonna have to buy the weather stripping. But I'm telling you, you're not gonna feel AC at all unless you leave your door open and when you're not there, so you can have some type of air in there. Because if not, I think you're gonna die. All right, so I'm parking and I'm working out. So yeah, I'll see you guys. We are done with the workout. 9:26 now. So we are going to go and work out. Ooh. So yeah, oh sorry, I said I'm going to work out. I already worked out. What the fuck. We going home. I'm going home, going to do some breakfast and get ready for basically the day. I'm gonna post a POV drive that I have. Then I'm gonna actually get ready this video, and I'm gonna upload it maybe afternoon, post it, or actually maybe tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. So let's get home. Pretty good, to be honest. I feel I just need some breakfast now, get some stuff ready, of course, sit in the computer for a minute. So I'm gonna put some eggs now, shower, post the video that I want to post, try to edit this one, try to upload it, maybe, we'll see. Then I gotta go to the office, which this week is gonna be just about 40-41 hours, but then next week it's gonna be way more than that. So I'm gonna have some overtime there, which is good for me, more because I have a trip, so I gotta save some money there. this one. I guess just too close to me, man. What? People are crazy. Alright, I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you comment and share if you can. There's a POB drive just going back to the gym. It's an arm day, so see you guys on the next video. Oh, there's a nice Passat Jetta, Volkswagen Passat. So I think that was the one I was gonna buy. Alright, I'll see you guys.